How to verify SEO on Gmail or Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify SEO on Google or Gmail. Now sometimes you'll get a pop-up where it says it'll ask you to verify that it's you. To help keep your account safe, Google wants to make sure it's really you. So in order to verify it, what you want to do is you want to open your phone settings, right? First you want to head into your phone settings and scroll down and head into the option that says Google. From here now you want to choose the account that you're trying to get verified on. So I'll just open this account, and then you want to tap on manage your Google account. Once you tap on it here under this page, you want to head into security. Under security, if you scroll down below, you'll find the option that says security code. Get a one-time code to verify that it's you. You want to tap on it, you'll get the particular code, and then you can go ahead and enter that code and verify that it's you. So this is the way that you can verify it's you on Gmail or Google. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.